September 2024 marked a historic surge in the Indian IPO market, noted by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) as the busiest month for IPOs in the past 14 years. With the month nearing its end, the excitement is set to continue as over 6 companies aim to raise approximately RSS 60,000 crore within the next 60 days. Major names on this list include Hyundai Motor India, Swiggy, and NTPC Green Energy. In addition to these giants, other notable companies like Afcons, Infrastructure, Wari Energies, Neva Bupa Health Insurance, One Mobiquick Systems, and Garuda Construction are also preparing to launch their IPOs during the October-November window. According to merchant bankers, the primary market will witness around 30 new IPOs by the end of the year, showcasing a diverse range of sectors and deal sizes, blending fresh issues with offers for sale. The ongoing IPO frenzy can be attributed to several favorable macroeconomic indicators, strong inflows into domestic mutual funds, and robust capital formation across corporate India. The enthusiasm in the IPO market reflects a broader growth trend within the Indian stock market, indicating heightened investor interest. Key factors driving this momentum include strong macroeconomic fundamentals. The Indian economy is showing resilience and growth, attracting investor confidence. Increased mutual fund inflows. Domestic mutual funds are channeling significant investments into the equity market, further fueling demand for IPOs. Corporate expansion plans. Companies are leveraging the IPO route to raise capital for expansion, debt, retirement, and working capital needs. Upcoming high-profile IPOs in India. Swiggy. IPO size Rs 10,014 crore, comprising a fresh issue worth Rs 3,750 crore and an offer for sale OFS of Rs 664 crore. Overview. As one of India's leading food aggregators, Swiggy is tapping into the growing demand for online food delivery and related services. Market sentiment. The positive growth trajectory in the food tech sector post-pandemic positions Swiggy as a strong contender in the IPO landscape. Hyundai Motor India IPO size targeting Rs to 25,000 crore, making it potentially the largest IPO in Indian history, surpassing the LIC IPO. Overview. As a subsidiary of the South Korean automotive giant Hyundai Motor Company, this IPO consists entirely of an OFS with no fresh issue as they aim to offload shares held by the parent company. Market sentiment. The automotive sector is recovering robustly, supported by consumer demand and government initiatives in electric vehicles. NTPC Green Energy IPO size planned at Rs 10,000 crore, expected to launch in early November. Overviews. Are some overview. As the renewable energy arm of state-owned NTPC, this offering aligns with India's push towards sustainable energy solutions. Market sentiment. With a strong focus on renewable energy, NTPC Green Energy stands to benefit from favorable government policies and increased investor interest in green technologies. Broader market dynamics and future outlook. The excitement surrounding IPOs is expected to persist well into 2025. According to V. Prashant Rao, Director and Head of ECM at Anand Rathi Advisors, the outlook remains positive, with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, having approved 22 IPOs this year, with companies collectively planning to raise around Rs 25,000 crore. Furthermore, over 50 companies have filed draft documents, reflecting a robust pipeline that indicates sustained interest from both issuers and investors across various sectors. The momentum in the IPO market is bolstered by sectoral growth, rapid expansion in various sectors including technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Investor confidence, a revival of investor sentiment, highlighted by the strong performance of recent listings. Analysis from Axis Capital reveals that 239 IPOs have been listed in 2024, with a significant majority debuting above their issue prices. Notably, 175 of these IPOs saw a positive start, while 10 opened at their issue prices, and 33 that initially listed below recovered to trade above their issue prices by the end of September. When IPO returns exceeded 20%, approximately 67.6% of investors sold their shares within the first week. Conversely, only 23.3% sold shares of IPOs that generated negative returns, indicating a more cautious approach to loss recovery. Risks and considerations. While the current IPO climate is optimistic, certain risks could temper enthusiasm moving forward. Market corrections. Potential volatility in the stock market may lead to adjustments in investor sentiment. Regulatory changes. New regulations could impact the IPO landscape and alter funding dynamics for emerging companies. The Indian IPO market is in a transformative phase, with a plethora of upcoming listings expected to attract significant capital and investor interest. The combination of strong economic indicators, favorable market conditions, and a diverse range of companies seeking public funding sets the stage for a dynamic investment landscape. As we approach the end of 2024, the anticipation surrounding IPOs like Swiggy, Hyundai Motor India, and NTPC Green Energy underscores a broader trend of growth and opportunity in the Indian stock market. Investors should remain vigilant, conducting thorough research and assessing their risk appetite as they navigate this exciting phase of capital market activity. Do subscribe my channel Trivia Bistro and don't forget to like and comment on my videos.